Here we have a problem that says, what percent was the machine marked down by? And we're given a picture of a Memorial Day sale. They tell us that the original price, I don't know, that might be a little small to read, but the original price is $701.65. And then it says that now it's only $238.56. So that means that the original price was given, and then the current price, what it is now, is $238.56. So there's always lots of different ways that you could do a problem, but the way that I would start this one is because we're finding, first of all, you have to be careful in recognizing what is the question asking. The question is asking percent the machine is marked down. So we first need to find the amount that the machine was marked down. And we can find the amount of the markdown will be equal to the original price minus the current price. So that's like how much they took off. So if we plug in our numbers into the original, would be the $701.65 minus the current price is $238.56. Let me grab my calculator really fast. If I plug that in, 701.65 minus 238.56, I get that to be $463.09. So that is the amount that's been marked down off the washer. So that's what you're not paying. Once you find the amount of the markdown, what you want to do is you want to divide that by your original price. So we're going to divide that by $701.65. And then in order to get it into a percent, we need to multiply it by 100. So if I grab my calculator, my $463.09 is already there. So I'll just do divided by 701.65 and then times 100. And that gives me my percent markdown, which is 66. It has some decimals on there, but I'm just going to round it to the nearest whole number, 66% markdown. So I hope this step-by-step solution was helpful for you. If it was, please like the video and share with anybody you think might find this information useful. Also, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos that are similar to this one. I try to do as many as I can, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments, as well as if you have a homework problem you'd like to see a video on, you can leave that in the comments as well, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.